Okay. Now, let me ask you, Kate.
Yes.
Have you always been a two-fisted drinker?
Maybe.
Oh, long enough that you can't remember. Now,
8?
if 100 people make a comment that personally knows Sempre Vive wine, will you show your thong on Sunday?
No, but I will show yours.
Well, folks, you heard it here. I will show my thong on Sunday if 100 people who personally know Sempre Vive wine make comments on our video. So, folks, write in, call in, or whatever you have to do on YouTube. I haven't a clue. But if we get 100 comments before Sunday, we, Kate and I, will show our thongs.
She's wearing no pants now, so she's ready. Oh.
Pants!
Oh, okay. She's got
They're
pants.
on, they're on.
Right. Actually, that was her
Cheers.
stunt double. Cheers!
That
and
was
go
the
to
real double.
www.romeovineyards.com.
If you'd like to order these wonderful wines, grown in
here?
the vineyard, not manipulated in the lab. Calistoga, Napa Valley, 36-year-old Cabernet vines. Oh, wonderful wine.
They'll get you loaded and laid. We're gonna have to delete this one. Sorry.
No deletions, folks. Just like the wines are grown in the vineyard, the videos are recorded and not edited ever. Oh my, we're running out of glasses.
We are.
So, comments, bring your comments in if you want to see the thongs, folks.
I'm gonna have to move.
Here in sunny California, the fog is lifted. And it's hot in the Central Valley, which is why the fog has even come in. Wait, where's my mask?
Oh, I'm gonna take one.
Hello. Koala here.
No.
Qualifiers? Oh yes, we always qualify. Golds all around, 90 plus point wines. The wines don't die when we crush them. They live on in the living product of wine. Grown in the vineyard, never manipulated in the lab. Okay, folks, no residual sugar, but our alcohol throws sweet.
Oh yeah.
So it fools your palate. Yum, yum.
Throw it on your ass.
Cutest little half bottles you'll ever see.
Seriously, people. When you're thinking life, when you're thinking wine, when you're thinking love, you think Romeo Vineyards with Sempre Vive.
Yes, always released on Valentine's Day. 02 and 03 are available now. The 04s, which are amazing, will not be available till Valentine's Day. 08. The 05s, which everyone is talking about the 05s, we bottled a month ago. They are drinking superbly, rather young, but wonderful. The tannins will dye your hands black or your sidewalks black, but they will never bite your tongue. And they will not be released until Valentine's Day 09.
Get
But
lucky
we
there.
are having them here. And she's a two-fisted drinker.
Shit, again?
Sorry. Triple click. Put 3 together.
Thought
Such
I
a
was
nice
just saying
sound.
double.
Awesome.
Cheers!